Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All of my friends, welcome in KZ Kitchen. Today I'm going to make another delicious and fabulous and authentic recipe, dum ki chicken or smoked chicken. For this purpose, I have taken some ingredients. Let's see what are these. I have taken 1 kg chicken. I have give it some curds but not too much deep. It's clean and washed. Here you can see light curds. Like this. Else it I have 3 to 4 tomatoes, 3 to 4 onions and 2-3 green chilies. We will make its paste for our dum ki chicken. Here I have yogurt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice. Here I have some powder spices, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper 1 or half teaspoon, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, whole spices powder 1 teaspoon, regular salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 flower or half flower mac or 2 sticks of cinnamon, some yellow food color. Here I have some garnishing, sliced ginger, green chilies and 1 lemon, and also for smoking gall. Let's start preparation. Add some yellow food color in your chicken, leave it 2-3 minutes and then wash it completely. Now I have added lemon juice and ginger garlic paste in it and also half yogurt and my powder spices and mix it well. Now we will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will start to cooking. Now it has been marinated. Let's make a paste. I will add my remaining yogurt in this. It's ready. Now here I have oil or ghee, 3/4 cup. I am going to add my mac flour and cinnamon sticks in it. Also I am adding some sliced ginger or julienne cut ginger. Fry it little bit. Now I have added my marinated chicken. I am frying it. Frying it continuously 2 to 3 minutes. So our curd couldn't be get in solid particles. Now I'm stirring it. Now I'm going to add my paste which we made. Mix it again completely. Now it's bubbling. Now just we have to cover the lid and keep it cooking. We have to cook it until that make a thick gravy, because we don't want flowy form of its gravy. Let's check it. Mashallah, you can check the consistency of or thickness of its gravy. It's solid. And you can check the color, and it's very nice and fragranted. That would be more fragranted after smoking. When we will give it a smoke. Okay, let's garnish our garnishing on the top. Some ginger slices, else it some green chilies, also some slices of onion. If you want more onion, so you can cover the surface of your dish with onion slices, but I want little more, that's why. Now I will give it a smoke. I have prepared a coal. For this purpose, I am placing a metal ball. Now I will place my burning coal in it. You can pour some butter or oil on the top of this coal, but I am not. You can seal this hole also, so the smoke couldn't come out. Now it's ready. You can see, mashallah, mashallah. Now it's ready to serve. Let's serve our dum ki chicken or smoked chicken. Mix it little bit so every part of this recipe or dish could be fragranted or smoky. Viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and must try this recipe so you could taste my recipe, how I made it. I hope you liked my recipe, and you will definitely make it at your homes. MashaAllah. You can serve this recipe with naan, chapatis, or regular roti. There you go. MashaAllah, it's looking very pretty good. Now you can squeeze lemon on the top of this dum ki chicken or smoked chicken. You can make this recipe in dinner, or also you can make it in lunch, or you can make it on special occasions. Definitely, it's so tasty because. So viewers, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Inshallah Ta'ala, I will come soon with another delicious and authentic recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.